Wow. Hello from South Beach, Miami, Florida. It is 1st of January 2025 and it is 5 o'clock right now and it's 1 hour until sunset. However, the sun will disappear in a few minutes behind those big buildings. And I am now on the beach and I am on a sunbed, which is very unusual for me, but it's included in the resort fee, so I decided to use it for now. And the sunbed is the first line next to the beach here as well. So let's catch the last ray of sunshine here at South Beach, Miami today, and the last swim for today, as I will need to rest a bit, as tomorrow I'm going to be getting up early again and we'll enjoy some more here in Miami before heading for the cruise. It is 26 degrees Celsius right now, so very, very warm. And in the sea, it is around 25 degrees Celsius. So let's enjoy with another swim in the sea. Let's see if we can see the sun from the inside the water. So not much actually. It seems that the sun has set right here, despite having 1 hour left until sunset. It is still not the sun is already behind those big buildings in the distance, as you can see. So with that said, let's then enjoy a swim here at South Beach, Miami on this 1st of January. I'm not counting, but it's maybe the 8th or 9th beach adventure today, which is a lot. Let's go! Alright. Yeah, that's another beach adventure from Miami and another swim here with this wonderful view that you can see. The sun is set and setting down in about 1 hour actually, but we won't be able to see it because this is facing east and I saw the perfect sunrise this morning, and now it's time to wrap up the day. I'm a bit hungry actually, so I will need to go in for a swim, and I spotted a spot where I can see the sun. So let's go here. There we go. There we go. It's perfect. The last ray of sunshine for today. Catching up. Perfect indeed. All right. So yes, today, the first day of the year was filled with many beach adventures here in Miami on several different spots, and let's then end up the day with this wonderful view of the sun that is setting down on this golden hour. Brilliant. Cool. That's a wrap from South Beach, Miami, Florida, United States of America. Thank you so much for watching this video, and see you soon again with another beach adventure on my channel, Beach Adventures with Chris.